Naka-public ka ba?
Oo.
Kaya na ni sir yan. Ganyan lang. Masyadong ano. Huwag mo sa aming mga ulo nila. Taas mo.
Mga ito, wait lang. Ito.
Hello everyone, this is Admin Sam. Welcome to the Utah official Mr. Grand Philippines Welcome PNA. We are live here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. So ngayong gabi na to guys, dito sa Saudi, aalamin natin at kilalanin ng mga official candidates ng second edition ng Mr. Grand Philippines Welcome PNA. So isapit naman kayo. And I would like to say thank you to the founder and the owner of Mr. Choice for the invitation. So this is the second time around that the Philippine pageant is waiting for this occasion. So kasama natin ang mga Filipino community dito sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Actually, kahit sa ibang party na Saudi Arabia ng KSA. Kasama natin ang mga media personnel dito sa Jeddah o sa Saudi Arabia. Nandito sila rin sa TV, nandiyan sila kaya. Thank you sa mga dating na.
Kaya may
maglalagay pa rin silang logo samantalang walang ibang nakakonect.
Dito kayo pumasok na dalawa pa. Para yung halatang lugas.
So bukas abangan nyo ang Miss Universe Runway Show by Hello Glow. So abangan nyo ang mga photos and videos ng Philippine pageants. So we are one of the invited pages or media para bukas. So gustong manood ng Hello Glow Runway Show, is for public po yan, for everyone. So libre po yan guys, punta lang kayo sa Signor sa The Black Area.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the much-awaited Mr. Grand Philippines Philcom Community KSA 2025 Kasashing Ceremony. Tonight, we will officially present the candidates who will compete for the prestigious title, showcasing not just their looks, but also their confidence, intelligence, and character. This event marks the beginning of their journey, and we are honored to have all witnessed the exciting experience. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. I'm your host, together with Mr. Erwin.
So I am Erwin Villanueva Guzman, one of the talent performer of Corneros and Kamayan Artistry in Events. Together with my partner as well, we have...
My name is Mark Anthony Ramos, your reigning Mr. Grand Humanity Philcom KSA 2024. Before we begin, let's acknowledge on stage the presence of our country director and CEO of Choini Production, Mr. Yasser Lintuan.
So once again on stage, we would like to call Mr. Yasser Lintuan giving for his opening remarks.
Magandang gabi sa lahat. Good evening, maayong gabi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so glad na makita ang mga Filipino community ng Kingdom of Saudi Arabia na nagkakaisa, nagsusuportahan ng bawat grupo. And we, the Choini Production, is handang ipakita ang mga talento ng Choini Production in terms of pageantry. Tonight, let us witness the sachet ceremony and press presentation of Mr. Grand Philippines Welcome of KSA for this edition of NGP Welcome of KSA. So I would like to thank first our sponsors. Hindi ko na po isa-isahin, but from the bottom of our heart, maraming salamat. And of course, ang mga talents group na nandito, their directors, mga handlers, mga supporters, madaming na salamat sa pagpalangga sa Choining Production. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal sa Choining Production, the Mr. Grand Philippines Welcome of KSA. Tonight is the beginning of the grandest pageant in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, which is the Mr. Grand Philippines Welcome of KSA. We are proud to say that only Mr. Grand Philippines Welcome of KSA is the grandest pageant, and hindi kami pag-ulit-ulit namin sasabihin, the only grandest pageant is the Mr. Grand Philippines Welcome of KSA. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us enjoy this night, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Welcome.
Okay, once again, thank you so much, our CEO of Choining Production, Mr. Yasser Nitson. But before that, ladies and gentlemen, then to complete this event, we would like first also to acknowledge most especially our guests and also the sponsor for tonight. And also to the different manager talents group of Jeddah KSA, we have MVIP Mr. Sherman Zuniga for having here tonight. And also the talent manager of Intensity, we have Miss Faith Kalimba.
Miss talaga?
Yeah, and also to our famous vlogger here in Jeddah KSA, we have Jensen TV. We have also Mr. Ian Gabriel TV. Yeah, and most especially to all the sponsors of Mr. Grand Philippines, we have different restaurants. So we have.
We would like to acknowledge the partnership of the Heart of the Filipinos, Philippine Airlines, headed by Mr. Ricky Baking.
And one of also the major sponsor of Mr. Grand Philippines, we have Kuiroms and Kamayan, headed by Mr. Sagittarius Sumayaw.
Also, we have the Bas Bachoy, headed by Mr. Owen Caracao.
We have also Nick's Kabayan Restaurant, headed by Miss Nor or Madam Nor.
And also we have Hui's Grills Restaurant, headed by Mr.
Emerson Filoro, together with Mr. Malik Angelo Mariano. Thank you so much, sir. And we have also our media partner, we have Philippine Pageant, headed by Mr. Sam Asim. Thank you so much, sir. We have also Arayan Bas,
Mr. Glenn Casano from the Riyadh.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. I think, to formally start the program, so this is the most awaited part of this event to witness our official candidate for the search of Mr. Grand Philippines Welcome KSA. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen,
let's begin to contestant number 2.
So once again, let's start with official candidate number 2.
May I call on the National Director of Mr. Grand Philippines Welcome KSA on stage to such the official candidate number 2. J. Marpignon, Mr. Grand Rabig.
Followed by official candidate number 3.
Hello everyone, good evening. I'm Charlie, Mr. Grant, Alula.
Official candidate number 4.
Ayun na sa stage.
Ah,
Pinadiretso na nila. Pinadiretso na nila. Dito ka nakukuha.
ay.
Acceptance blooms like flowers in June. No room for doubts, just our hopes in tune. We left each other high, reach for the skies. With a little less potential.
Good evening to each and everyone. I'm Lionel Joseph D. Malayo, proudly representing Al Yasmin City of Riyadh.
Kagani.
Official candidate number 5.
Philippines will come KSA together forever, come what may. With pride in our hearts, we'll pave the way. Brothers for life, that's what we say. Mr. Philippines will come KSA. We rise, we shine, we're breaking through. Hand in hand, there's nothing we can't do. And this is showing our spirits soar.
Hello, I'm Michael J. Navarro, proudly represent Alhambra District and Jeddah City. Thank you. Official candidate number 6.
Chasing dreams under the desert sun. With my brothers by my side, we're on our way. Every move and every life we're never done. Success is reachable, yes we are. To Mr. Grand Philippines, from KSA, we rise, we shine, we're breaking through. Hand in hand, there's nothing we can't do.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Gabriel F. Duran. I'm proud to represent Al Cuba.
Official candidate number 7.
We rise, we shine, we're breaking through. Hand in hand, there's nothing we can't do. And this is strong, our spirits soar. In this journey, we're forever brothers in arms. Remember nights spent under the stars. Sharing secrets, dreaming big, sharing thoughts that inspire us through every wind. We dance all night.
Hello everyone, my name is Adham Yusuf, Mr. Grant from Saudi Arabia, Al Rauda, Jeddah.
We can't do, and this is strong, our spirits soar.
Official candidate number 8.
Sensible masculinity, we stand tall. Celebrate each other, we never fall. Outstanding, sportsmanship shines. Respect is key. In this brotherhood, we all have limitless potential. Acceptance blooms like flowers in June. No room for doubts, just our hopes in tune. We lift each other high, reach for the skies. With limitless potential, we rise and rise. Mr. Grand Philippines, from KSA.
Michael Ryan Alcantara, Mr. Grant Al Nozan.
We can't do, and this is strong, our spirits soar. In this journey, we're forever.
Official candidate number 9.
Sharing secrets, dreaming big, sharing thoughts that inspire us through every wind. We dance all night. Mr. Grand Philippines, will come KSA. Together, forever, come what may. With pride in our hearts, we'll pave the way. Brothers for life, that's what we say. Mr. Grand Philippines, will come KSA. We rise, we shine, we're breaking through. Hand in hand, there's nothing
Good evening, everyone. August Lawis representing Mr. Grant Olea Riyadh.
Official candidate number 10.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Jay Briggs Paraiso Bigno, representing Alpha Wadi, your Mr. Grand Jeddah.
Official candidate number 11.
Success is reachable, yes we are. To Mr. Grand Philippines, from KSA, we rise, we shine, we're breaking through. Hand in hand, there's nothing we can't do. Ambition strong, our spirits soar. In this journey, we're forever brothers and arms. Remember life spent under the stars.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Jonathan Arada, your missing grand, Kamis Nishaid.
Philippines, don't come KSA. We rise, we shine, we're breaking through.
Official candidate number 12.
Ambition strong, our spirits soar. In this journey, we're forever brothers and arms. Remember nights spent under the stars. Sharing secrets, dreaming big, sharing thoughts that inspire us through every wind. We dance all night. Mr. Grand Philippines, don't come KSA. We rise, we shine, we're breaking through. Hand in hand, there's nothing we can't do.
Neil Galve, Mr. Grand Al Salama.
Sensible masculinity, we stand tall. Celebrating
Official candidate number 13.
respect is key. In this brotherhood, we all have limits, potential. Acceptance blooms like flowers in June. No room for doubts, just our hopes in tune. We lift each other high, reach for the skies. With limitless potential, we'll rise and rise. Mr. Grand Philippines, from KSA. We rise, we shine, we're breaking through. Hand in hand, there's nothing we can't do. Ambition strong, our spirits soar. In this journey, we're forever brothers and arms. Remember nights spent under the stars.
JJ Farhad Asbi, Mr. Grand Al Marwa, City of Jeddah.
Come KSA, together, forever, come Lord may, with pride in our hearts.
Official candidate number 14.
That's what we say. Mr. Grand Philippines, come KSA. We rise, we shine, we're breaking through. Hand in hand, there's nothing we can't do. Ambition strong, our spirits soar. In this journey, we're forever brothers and arms. Mr. Grand Philippines, come KSA. We rise, we shine, we're breaking through. Hand in hand, there's nothing we can't do.
John Nomer Sueta, Mr. Grand Philippines, Philcom KSA, representing Riyadh as Sulimania.
Official candidate number 15.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Joey Masagana, Mr. Grand, City of Tahi.
Official candidate number 16.
Mr. Grand Philippines, welcome KSA. We rise, we shine, we're breaking through. Hand in hand, there's nothing we can't do. Ambition strong, our spirit soar.
Arjo, Adjo, Castillo Morales, Mr. Grand Alaki, City Avrian.
So here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's all meet our official 16th candidate. Search for Mr. Grand Philcom PSA 2025.
Celebrate each other, we'll never fall. Outstanding, sponsorship shines, respect is key. In this brotherhood, we all have limitless potential. Acceptance blooms.
We have number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and finally, number 16.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our 16th official candidate of Mr. Grand Philippines, Philcom KSA 2025. Let's give them a round of applause.
Brothers for life, that's what we say. Mr. Grand Philippines, welcome KSA. We rise, we shine, we're breaking through. Hand in hand, there's nothing we can't do. And this is strong, our spirits soar. In this journey, we're forever brothers and arms. Mr. Grand Philippines, welcome KSA. We rise.
Yes, thank you so much, hello. And we would like to call on Mr. Yasser Lintuan. Please come and join together with our official candidate.
Yes, ma'am. Ay!
So we would like also to call on one of the sponsors, Mr. Forrest, to please come and join together with the candidate. And after this, in just a few minutes, we will be having our personality review together with our press presentation.
Chasing dreams under the desert sun. With my brothers by my side, we're on our way. Every moment, every life, we're never done. Success is reachable, yes we are.
Yung from Philippine Pageant, Mr. Asim. Mr. Ian Gabriel. So let's present our press presentation. So
may I request our candidates to move backward, please? Step back here.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, we will be having a short interview together with our personality review based on their personality of our candidate, also the preparations of our candidate this coming final lines this May 16, 2025 that will be held at Middle Eastern Hall rather. So I think we are now ready, our media partner together with our sponsors, giving their questions as well. Any volunteer, any representative?
Alright, I have here Mr. Sam Asi. Hello everyone, congratulations para sa I'm Sam from Pageant States. And I would like to ask, I know you have two questions. First is, how did you decide to join? And second is, ano mga paghahanda niyo sa laban na to?
So for whose candidate, sir? Do you have a specific question? Lahat ba sila? Or you're going to choose? Bawat isa. Sa kanila.
Only one candidate.
Alright, let's begin with, maybe we'll pick three for the candidate. Once again, the question, Mr. Asim, please. Alright. Please, we'll start with JJ. Alright. J.
Mr. Almarwa, Jed, Saudi Arabia.
What made you decide to come back?
I decided to come back or to join this competition again because joining prestigious pageant like you are able to represent the Filipino community in the national pageant has been my long life dream. So I decided to join again and take that risk. Maybe this time will be my time.
Thank you. Good luck. And the second candidate is Adam.
Mr. Adam.
Yes, forward please.
Mr. Aurauda.
I just want to inform you that Adam was one of my students before at Brother International School. Adam, congratulations that you are part of. Adam, how did you decide to join in Mr. Grant Philippines and Philcom Casting? How did you decide to join in this edition of Mr. Grant Philippines Philcom Casting?
It's mostly because a lot of my friends convinced me to try to join, just to experience it and just to try it.
Thank you. And the other one is another comeback. Yes, Chris Bakker.
Mr. Taif, right?
Yes, Taif.
Mr. Jervis from Taif.
Okay, almost the same question with JJ. Okay, I'll let you answer. Because you almost made it in the top 5 last edition. How did you decide this time? Are you stronger this time?
Good evening once again. I joined again because I just want to rekindle my dreams to represent our Filipino community, and I was inspired by Mr. Aaron, which is my batchmate during 2024, and I want to continue that legacy to represent the overseas Filipino worker, our resiliency, and how the overseas Filipino workers are the modern heroes in our country nowadays.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Taif.
Thank you, Mr. Asim.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. From Philippine Pageant, Mr. Asim.
So we have here the head of Intensity Talent,
Miss Faye Caniba.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Sabi ko yung mga hindi na lang natatanong pa.
From Riyadh.
From Riyadh.
Which one?
Beside Adam. In the left side.
So I guess which?
So
Mania.
Alright.
Mr. Nomber.
Good evening, sir. Okay, this is my question for you. This is very simple. How you describe yourself in 3 words?
I describe myself with the 3 words: affirmative, and commitment, and rules of responsibility. That's it.
And another one, it's okay.
Thank you, Mr. Soleimani Riyadh. Who else?
Another Riyadh.
The last candidate.
Okay. Who is the most influential person in your life?
And why?
It's my mom. She's the one who taught me to be brave, to be resilient, and to fight for any adversities that I face in my life. That is why she's my and you had to have a woman that idolizes me.
Thank you so much, candidate number 60 from Rian. So let's move on. We have Ian.
Another one.
No problem.
You said it's three.
One more question, Miss.
Alright. One last question.
Who else?
That guy, that gentleman. Ian. Yes.
The second one? Mr.
Sorry, you're handsome. I forgot your name.
Gabriel Duran from...
Duran. Okay. Nawala tuloy yung ano ko, yung tanong ko.
Sana all.
Okay, Mr. Duran, how do you handle pressure and stress situation in your life?
Thank you so much. You know what, I share this to everyone. My stress reliever or my coping mechanism for myself is taking care of myself. I really believe by nurturing our health, mind, body, and soul, we become the best version of ourselves. And when you love yourself, this is the greatest gift that you can give for yourself and especially to your loved ones. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Alcubama. So let's proceed to, we have Mr. Ian Rabel TV.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Ayan, Al Rauda. Mr. Al Rauda. Ay, si Jabez. Bawati pala, sorry.
Mr. Bawadi, please step.
Bawati. Ayun, Bawati pala.
Sorry, Mr. Rauda. So we have
Bawati ka pala.
Mr. Al-Bawadi.
Mr. Al-Bawadi, what is your inspiration to join this pageant?
Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My inspiration to join this pageant is myself. Because I motivate myself to join this pageant. Because before, if you know, in the first day of screening, myself is not totally like this. But now, of my motivation and courage to do, to make myself better, and thank you, sorry.
Thank you, Mr. Al-Bawadi.
It's normal, it happens on stage.
Mr. Grant Anlucia.
Anlucia.
Being one of the candidates of Mr. Grant, what is your winning personality?
I always consider myself as an introvert person. And coming in this competition, I just wanted to overcome this. And I came here to gain experience, personal growth, boost my confidence, and I want to make myself proud as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Al-Luza. Who else? So we have one of the sponsors tonight. We have Mr. Paris, right? So which one?
Mr. Charlie.
Mr. Charlie from Mr. Grant Al-Luza.
Hello, Charlie. My question is, what is your weakness and how do you manage it?
Well, my weakness is, at first, I don't really believe in myself. I have very low self-esteem, and I'm so overwhelmed that many people that are really believing in my talent and what I can showcase in the world, in our community, in the Filipino community in general, and in KSA in general. And it's overwhelming that they give me this support and help to showcase and to strive what I can do. And here I am in front of you, that proving that I can do it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Alula. Any follow-up questions?
Mr. Rabig.
Mr. Rabig.
Hi, my question is, what is your edge among other candidates?
I think my edge
among the candidates is that all my experiences in the competition, as the audience don't know, this is motivation. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Rabi. So let's move on. Let us, we have the famous blogger here in Jeddah KSA. We have our concert queen, Mr. Jensen TV.
Ayan,
Habibi.
sino ba hindi natanong dyan? Si Rabi. Si Rabi din.
Sino bang hindi natanong?
Ayan, si Alhambra.
Mr. Alhambra. 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 Naiba na.
No problem, maybe he called you later.
What is your advocacy? Advocacy? Sorry. What is your advocacy related to the OFW?
My advocacy related to the OFW is about the
Tagalogin mo na lang daw.
my advocacy is about for the fishermen in our country, the Philippines, because I'm once a fisherman there in the Philippines, and I came here to improve myself and to take the challenges coming and myself, and I don't want to stick to that kind of lifestyle.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Mr. Alhambra. So,
Mr. I think Salama. Salama.
Yes.
Important lesson that you can share to our kababayan OFW.
I think if there's one lesson that I want to share to all the my Filipino kababayan community, that is to take care of yourself. We are far away from our home. We are far away from our family. The best thing that we can do while working and while gaining money and earning ours, like reaching our bank accounts, is to make sure that we take care of ourselves. Just physically, emotionally, spiritually, and all aspects. In that way, we will be able to give back to the community. We can be like a good source of inspiration to everybody.
thank you, Mr. Alhambra.
Hello.
Yan, to complete our commentators, so we have the last one.
Mr. Olea, please. Good evening. Okay, good evening, sir. Since Mr. Olea is, I think he already competed in national. I think Mr.
Friendship International Philippines will come here.
Yeah. So, what you made decide to join Mr. Grand Philippines Felcom of KSA 2025?
Okay. I believe that this competition is my passion, so I'm pursuing my dreams to continue it because I believe that this is not the end of my dream. And I want to continue more and more, and I want to inspire and aspire others that as a simple OFW, having an alopecia will never be an hindrance to reach one's dream.
Thank you so much, Mr. Alhambra, from the
Sino pa yung
I believe we have one more candidate left, and that
Yes,
is
what else?
Mr. Grant Kamis Mushait.
Yeah. Mr. Camis, please.
Mr. Kamis Bushay.
I think my question is same with Mr. Olea. What you make decide to join Mr. Grand Philippines Felcom of KSA 2025?
I joined this pageant because someone motivated me, not only myself, but also to boost my confidence, to show others how introvert is to join this pageant. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kamis Bushay. So, complete our commentator, we would like to follow up. We would like also to acknowledge Mr. Sherwin Suniga
from Philippine correspondent and head of MBIV.
Hi, good evening everyone. I'm also with the Filipino Correspondent Network. Congratulations on this day na officially you are part and candidates of Mr. Grand Philippines Philcom KSA. Well, the first question I want to speak with is for Al-Akik.
Mr. Al-Akik, please come forward.
And the last number, we have number 16 from Riyadh.
Okay, as an OFW, what one thing that you know that you can share to your fellow kababayan or fellow OFW that will make a mark as an OFW?
It will be always be resilient. That we face different challenges, obstacles in life. We must be strong. We must be bolder, braver in all aspects, because that's the only thing that we can have in our life, to have that resilience within ourselves. No matter what we face, as long as we have a hope, we have a faith, everything will be good.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Well, ladies and gentlemen, once again, give a round of applause to official candidate for search of Mr. Grand Philcom KSA 2025.
Alias Bean.
Well, we have
Meron pa na huli, hindi nagparamdam.
Yes, of course, we have to be
From Riyadh also, we have Mr. Ali Yasmin.
I heard Mr. Grand Ali Yasmin, I heard you've been competing with different competitions then before. So what are the learnings that you got from those experiences and competitions that you can brought up to your fellow candidates tonight?
Actually, I thought it would be the first and last pageant that I will be into. Having that experience motivated me to move forward and aim something that beyond the realm of my profession. It is indeed a challenge for myself to have those experiences, improve what I can give and represent this Mr. Grand, but I do believe I am ready and taking the challenge of this competition. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ali Yasmin from Riyadh. Yeah, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to our next part of the program. We have our closing remarks headed by one of the joint production staff, Mr. Art.
Our communication director of Choiling Production.
Hello, good evening everyone. Thank you so much for coming. So, naiintindihan nyo naman kung bakit po sila dito 5 a.m. So, can you please give a round of applause for Choiling Production. So, on behalf of Choiling Production, we would like to thank you to all our sponsors, our guests, na nagpunta po dito. And also, we would like to thank Philippine Airlines and Kuya Rome's Kamayan Restaurant, in collaboration with Nick's Kamayan Restaurant and Kuya's Restaurant, for presenting the grandest event in KSA, which is the Mr. Grand Philippines Philcom KSA 2025. So we would like to ask your support to endorse this pageant, which is our finale on May 16, 2025. Tickets are now available. You can contact our Facebook page, Choiling Production, and Mr. Grand Philippines Philcom KSA. You can also contact Lawrence Takuyan for sponsorship. Thank you so much, guys, and we hope to see you May 16. Thank you.
Once again, let us give one more round for our official 16 candidates of Mr. Grand Philippines Philcom KSA